What's up, guys? So I just did a video testing out the 360 mode on the GoPro Max. Now I'm on the GoPro Max testing out just the hero mode and how stable it is. There's this guy over here that just got out of his car and now he's folding his arms, so I'm gonna film him. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the stability. The horizon leveling is on, so I'm turning the camera now and testing that out. So it's in linear mode, so everything should be more linear. I've heard that the actual screen protectors can mess with the video a little bit, and they're on there right now. I can kind of see some fragments of light, like some lens flares from those. And we're about to go into some lower light, so I feel like that may actually affect it. When we went past that light, you could really see. I think a lot of those little specks there on the lens were from the actual screen protectors, especially because they were circular like that. So yeah, how does it do? Also, how's the audio? The audio is supposed to be like a shotgun mic on this thing, so how's the audio controlling like my voice compared to the sound of the longboard as it rolls through the parking garage? Now this is a pretty smooth board, you know, it's got big 70mm, like 78A wheels, so it shouldn't be super loud, but there's still a lot of noise going on. I feel like this camera is supposed to be better for like action sound, but not as good for like really like dramatic music sound as like the GoPro 8, you know, but we'll see. Again, like if you guys like this kind of content, videos about the GoPro Max, I'm going to be doing a lot of these, a lot of skateboarding videos too, so subscribe to this channel. If you like skateboarding content, look me up, Michael Relevant on YouTube and Instagram. Yeah, so thanks for watching.